All right, so our last part of the vocabulary is on sampling techniques. We're going to talk about these quick few things. So the last one the first thing is a simple random sample. It's a sample in which every possibility, every possible sample of the same size has the same chance of be of being selected. So an example of that would be you assign a number to every person in the population, and then choose numbers at random. To determine your subjects. A stratified sample, members of the population are divided into two or more subsets. We call these stratas. That's why they're called stratified. That share similar characteristics. And then a sample is selected from each of the strata. So if I was to use this drawing over here, this would be the stratified sample. So they're each classroom. So like this is the French classroom, the math classroom, the science classroom, the social studies classroom, the English classroom. So they're broken up by stratas. And then what you do is to pull a sample of the stratas, you might pull two from here and one from here and two from here and one from here and two from here and one from here. And all of these are pulled and included in your sample. So that would be your stratified sample. A cluster sample all right, a cluster sample where you divide the population into groups called clusters. and select all the members in one or more clusters. So the stratified sample, they were broken up into classrooms here, and we just picked certain ones. Okay, we picked some of them. In the cluster sample, they're still broken up into classrooms, but now we're going to pick a whole classroom. We might pick these 3 classrooms and make them our sample size. Okay, in a systematic sample, what we do, the members are ordered, so the members are ordered in a way and then sample members are selected at regular intervals. So every nth member. So let's say we pick every 4th member. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, every 4th member. Okay. The convenience sample often leads to bias, studies, because we're just picking the people that are convenient. It consists of only available members. So in order to figure out most popular menu item, a fast food restaurant, you go home and survey your family members. So this is the end of your vocabulary for statistics. So for the third part of your vocabulary homework, you're going to determine the sampling methods here, and you're going to do 14 through 18, and that would be the end of your vocabulary homework and the end of your week for this week.